Recently, the MLA of West Shillong Constituency, Mohendro Rapsang, had presented a cheque of Rs 2,58,000 from the MLA scheme towards installation of local area network connection and sanction order for the purchase of computers and accessories for Buddha Bhanu Saraswati College, Shillong. Present during the occasion were the principal of the college, Sanjay Rana, members of the managing committee, besides teachers and staff of BBS College.
So at least you can give this amount required for enhancing the network connectivity for the college. How this is happening? My friend, who is the principal, he is my classmate also, born out and like. He just came and told me that, oh, we need some networking, right? And I said, okay, what is that? And I want to know, now technology is changing. He said, working for connecting to the library and then to the... So I said, okay, no problem. And I asked him, bring the rate, the quotation, because you are going to do it. I'm not going to do it. You just engage somebody who will do it, just tell me the amount. If you want me, just give me the quotation and I just sanction it. Because this is not my money. This is my MLA scheme which I have to give to the public. This is not my personal money. Why I am telling that it has to be given to the college, to the school for development? Because as of now, technology is changing. And the moment I entered there, I said, wow, this is too good. We are having the smart classroom. He said, no, this is also a part of the technology which is having now. So this is also what we are doing is a part of technology to enhance the knowledge of connectivity. So this is something which we should encourage, where it will set an example to the other institute also. It will set an example to the students also, which they should acquire. What is the latest technology they are having? Not unlike during our time, we will have only a teacher and we student. That is what is earlier. But now the technology is changing, so we should try to observe and take this new technology for enhancing our knowledge. I'm so happy that the college is really progressing. The result, whatever I've seen every year is coming up very well. I should congratulate the management, the principal, the teachers, their hard work. So good result all the time. But every result that comes out, my friend I call them congratulating each other that the school is the college is doing very well. I hope that this college will continue to do a good job. And I'm very happy that whenever I recommend a student for I sponsor student, I used to call up the principal and he never said no.